If you were here in the summertime, it would sound like a construction zone. I like to think of it as the vertical highway. The woodpeckers and other birds would be very active, with the woodpeckers pecking on the tree trunks. So where does the crew go when the work stops? It turns out they're all at the cafeteria. It's a completely different side of their personality. Let's check them out. Usually, this crew is obsessed with extracting insects. This red-bellied woodpecker was able to find something beneath the bark, but when the Pennsylvania winter hits, most trade their jackhammers for a serious sweet tooth. They head straight in for berries. But watch this. These birds are heavy. A pileated woodpecker is massive and top-heavy. So how do they dangle off these tiny, flimsy berry branches without falling? They engage their safety gear. Look closely at the tail. It's not just for steering, it's literally a third leg. Their tail feathers are reinforced with extra keratin, making them incredibly stiff. When they jam that tail against a branch, it creates a perfect tripod. 2 feet and a kickstand. This allows them to lean back, defying gravity, to reach berries that other birds simply can't get to. Now that they're stable, let's look at the menu. The pileated woodpecker, our foreman, actually likes to eat poison ivy berries, but this one was feasting on wax myrtle berries. The northern flicker and sapsucker have specialized tools to grasp ants and sap, but right now, they've traded those tools for simple foraging. Sumac, wild grapes, and hackberry become their survival fuel. These have found an abundance of winter creeper berries. So I'd like to know, have you ever seen any of these construction workers in your area working on berries? Let me know in the comments section. And while you're at it, why not check out my video, The Vertical Highway? You'll be able to see woodpeckers in action when it's not quite as cold outside. Thanks for watching.